Alright guys, got her stripped down. All the bearings look really good. I've already got these main caps just sitting here. As you can see, it looks pretty good. Did find some wear on the cam lobes. It was getting ready to wipe the cam. It did have the lifter tick, so just went ahead and tore it down. Yeah, all the journals, cylinder walls, everything looked good. Here's the old pistons. May put these for sale, see if anybody wants them. Still good shape, standard bore. Show you the cam. That is the worst lobe right there. They are not flat, but it was starting to take the hardness off of it and get down to the softer metal. It wouldn't have been too much longer and it probably just wiped it out. There's a couple lobes like that, but that is the worst one. Lifters, they wasn't wiped out, but it had some spots on them, which I'm going back all new, stroker kit, all that stuff. Cam bearings look pretty good. I measured the heads, got my valve springs and everything stripped off of them, getting them ready to send out. May just send them to motor muscle, we'll see. Seats and stuff look good. Probably just valve lap them and put them back in. I'll put the pictures of what these measure stock in the video. Some people might be curious. The intake and exhaust, I'll put them in here. But this short little video, spin it over real fast. Also wanted to show you a tip on pulling these main caps out. For the ones that don't know, take your bolts loose, bring them up just a little bit where they're not in the bolt holes on the bottom. Pinch it together and just keep wiggling and pulling up and they'll come out. That's the best way to do it. Let me pull this crank out and I'll spin the block over. Alright, got it spun over. It's just going to be a short video. All just about ready for the stroker kit. Probably have to send it to the machine shop and get it bored and honed. Just depending on what pistons he's going to send me. It's just whatever he's got left. He was going to send me a .10. Told him if he can get me some standard size, I'll just ball hone it and slap it back together and go, and save me a little time. Now I do have to clearance, I think it is number 7 on the bottom for the rods and stuff, but I'll have to assemble a couple pistons and lightly put it together and just see where I need to clearance at. That ain't no big deal. Just a burr bit on a die grinder and you can clearance it. But try to get these heads sent out next week or the week after. Get those on the way and get them done. Like I said, I'll put the before measurements in here. Then when I get them back, I'm gonna measure them again and see what they actually removed. See what they opened up to. Yeah, that's all for now and all for this video. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.